Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio. We got something very... so sorry, Saul. Forgot.
Ta-da!
All right, there you are.
Yes.
Okay, you ready to go?
Yeah, I was.
My bad.
Yeah, I was ready 5 minutes ago.
I'm sorry. Can I... Okay, thank you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, we've got something really special today. We're going to draw a heart-shaped lock and a chain.
Yeah.
It looks difficult, but when you see the tip I'm going to give you of how to draw a chain, you are going to be amazed.
Yeah.
So stick around for that, and let's get to drawing.
Absolutely. Yes, let's get to drawing.
You heard it from him. Let's do this.
Do this, you got it.
All right, let's get started on this chain and heart lock. Looks hard, but you're going to be amazed.
Easy peasy. We got this. We got this.
First thing we're going to do is draw two dots somewhat angled. This is going to give us the guide to draw the heart lock. I've added two more dots, and you could see it's almost like a kite shape, but leaning to its left ever so slightly.
Yep.
Connect the dots.
Yep, connect the dots.
Then we're going to have three sides coming down, and the ones on the outside you want to taper them slightly.
Yep, bring them in and get the bottom. Nice thick locket.
Guesstimate the center with two dots, top and bottom. Then one side, just draw your heart shape.
Let's bring in a picture so we
and
can
then
see what we're
repeat it
doing.
On the other side.
There you go.
Go down to the bottom of the heart and draw a line coming down. And then the far side of the heart, do the same.
Yep.
And then curve the bottom so it matches the same line at the top of the heart.
That's right. That's the locket.
A small oval
Mm.
to make for the keyhole, and then the bottom of the keyhole.
Yep. Boy, that chain looks hard, but I think somebody's got a trick up their sleeve.
A U shape for the locking mechanism.
Yeah, let's see that trick. Bring in a tip.
And then a second U shape. A drawing tip from
A dad who draws. All right, here we go.
Okay, let's get onto our chain here. First thing you want to do is draw a guideline of the direction you want your chain to go.
All right, easy.
Next, I'm going to add dots going along the chain, evenly spaced.
All right, easy.
I'm just going to continue all the way around, adding
All right.
these dots evenly spaced out.
All right, we're with you. We're with you. What's next?
Okay, now we're going to connect the dots, but with these curved lines.
Oh, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
All right.
And I'm just going to continue this all the way through.
All right, easy. Curve, curve, curve.
Okay, next one, watch carefully now.
Watching, always watching. Pause it if you have to.
And all of the curves that are on the inside of my circle, you could see I'm going to draw a parallel line that follows their same exact path.
All right.
And if you need to pause for a second to really get the idea, by all means.
You know, another thing too is they could practice drawing this chain all by itself. But this doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty good.
Okay, let's go around again.
All right. What's next?
Now we're going to outline the other curve.
Okay.
And make sure the end of it touches the inside. Just trust the process.
All right. We're trusting. Follow the outside. Still can't believe this is going to look like a chain, but I believe.
The only tricky part might be when you bring the chain back to the end there, back to the beginning, but just go draw carefully.
Boy, that's great advice. Says the guy who's been drawing for 30 years.
Okay. All right, now we're going to draw the one link. We're going to follow along.
Oh. 2 lines curved on the inside. Oh, look at that.
And like
That's
I said,
working.
if you need to pause it and rewind it, by all means do it. But this is the easiest way I've ever found to draw a linked chain.
Wow. I'm impressed. You actually know what you're talking about.
All right, one more pass.
Voila, look at that. Magic. Just a little bit of magic. Magic. I don't even know if that's even a song. Maybe.
Just go slowly. There's a lot of lines going on here, but if you followed this step by step, this should be quite easy, believe it or not. You got this.
Yeah. Easy like a fish pie. Actually, I've never had a fish pie.
This ending here might be a little
What's
tricky.
next,
This is probably the hardest part, to try and mentally figure out what's going on top of the other. But if you draw lightly, you can test it out in a couple ways. Okay, we're on the home stretch here. All we're going to do now is add some decoration.
Yeah, and oh, look at that. That sample picture. There's color on it now. When that happened? Wow. That right there is magic.
So hopefully you've been drawing lightly the whole time, and we're going to add a little thickness to the inside of our keyhole. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Keep practicing that
I
chain,
see it.
and we'll see you tomorrow. Sal?
Yeah, I think they did a great job. You see the color, add the color, come back tomorrow. Great job, everyone. Make sure you subscribe and like and hit that bell and leave a comment. Ciao.